And be curl, so I'm starting off on clean hair. I had braids in my hair and I took them down, and as you guys can see, I'm just going to part off the front section of my hair. Not too much hair, but enough to do what we gotta do. So I do like to use a smaller rat tail comb to part my hair. Just make sure your hair is thoroughly detangled, but I'm also not combing through my hair with the rat tail comb, so just keep that in mind. I'm literally only using it to part my hair. That is it. So I have leave-in conditioner oil in my hair, so I'm just going to use the Lustrous Pink Shea Butter Coconut Oil Curl and Twist Pudding. It is definitely one of my favorites. It's one of my go-to. So I'm going to put that on this section, and then I'm literally going to start twisting my hair, and I'm just using that to give my hair some extra moisture while it is in the flat twist at the front. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue to flat twist that front section of my hair, and I'm going to do those all the way across. If you guys do not know how to flat twist, you can do like the twisties where you just gather the hair and twist them up and then put the rubber band at the end. That's what we call them, twisties, but yeah, that's what I'm doing. So it took me about 15 to like 20 minutes, probably less than that, to flat twist the front section of my hair. Y'all know flat twists are a lot quicker to do versus like doing braids. So when I do my flat twists, I don't do them super tight to my head because I have fine type 4 4C natural hair, and I like to like make sure my hair has some volume so it looks thicker. So I kind of twist my hair a little bit looser so that they'll puff out at the root. That way they look a lot more fuller, because if I twist them really like tightly and precise, they're just gonna look too flat for my liking. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that. Okay, so now that I'm done, I'm going to gather those 5 twists, and I'm just going to gather them together and do a 2-strand twist there, and I'm going to put them into a Bantu knot. You can leave yours out if you would like, but I really wanted to do 2 Bantu knots, and I'm going to do the same steps on the other section of my hair as well. So now I'm just going to go ahead and brush out my hairline, because my hairline is really funny, you guys, and it just doesn't look right with styles like this if I don't lay it down, but you already know I was going to do that anyways. But yes, so I'm just going to go ahead and use the Kiss Edge Fixer Max Hold on my hairline. You can use whatever, you know, edge control you would like, or you can just brush your edges back into the twist. It's up to you, but this is what I like to do. And I did put on my scarf so I can let my edges lay down for a bit. So to spice up this style, I'm going to use these little gold rings that I got from my beauty supply store for $1. So I decided to put 2 of them on each Bantu knot, because I thought that would look cute. But you can add more if you would like. Now that my edges are all laid, I'm just going to fluff out my fro in the back using my hands, but you can use your pick, but today I just decided to use my hands. Normally I do, but you know, your hands work just as good. Decided that I wanted to add some more of the gold little rings, so I put them on the twists that are on the side. I thought that would look really cute. So now we are all finished with the style. I love it so much. It is super cute and fast and easy to do. If you guys recreate this style, make sure you tag me on Instagram with your pictures because I would love to see them. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye!